stupid prick.
It helped me massively. You alright? Everything okay?
Fucking idiots, man.
Said, you know, when I get stressed out and taxi man. Didn't really have a choice there, did I? No. To be
I mean, really? Wanker?
fundamentally everybody's the same. I believe passion. Yeah, great, isn't it? Yeah. Pretty sure that's. I mean, we can get into. I mean, that's. No, I didn't press the button. To go, but I've had somebody on. Wander out, mate. Who talks about different. So you know, let me you dickhead. Boy, going the wrong way down the road.
I think it's just reaching out. Got attachment issues. Maybe a little bit of like. You've just honked your horn, I swear to God, if it comes up with a notification.
This guy just mounted the curb. There's another one. Look, they're sick of waiting in this queue, so they're going over the reservation, mounting the curb over the grass. Cheerio.
So what do we make of the
Here goes another one. I've had enough of this. I'm going. Pretty sure you shouldn't go over that. I haven't got a hope in hell because my car's lowered. If I did that, the bumper would fall off. Looks like I'm stuck in this queue. My brother, you're not going to get past that, are you? Oi, 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 oi. Where do you want this bus to go? What's the plan, folks?
Is the bus just going to mount the curb?
Big bus coming towards. I don't know, let's just go directly at it. Worry about it later. It's like coming a mile away. Well, you absolute wit. No U-turns, but whatever. There's a nice sign that says no U-turns, but whatever. You do you, boo.
asshole. Honestly. I mean, really? Mate, you're a dick. Absolute cock, that was.
Run the red light. Oh, so red light.
Going soon. All in.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well done. There's a school there, a primary school, so my guess is that would be the catchment area for a little bit, because yeah.
Nice lights.
And so here we have a beautiful Bristol 410, which is just the sort of thing I love to see.